As we enter into an unprecedented time in our education system, starting a school year off with virtual learning, most parents I speak with are scared. Scared because of the debacle they witnessed in the spring. Scared because their child has specific needs that are not being done efficiently and effectively online. Scared because their child has regressed considerably over the past 5 months, and there aren't any clear signs that that will end anytime soon. Look, I get it. It took us a long time to perfect the art of virtual learning for children whose primary struggle is attention. But it can be done. We've proven that over the past 6 years. Today, we reveal our top 3 secrets that our educators use to ensure children with special needs thrive in an online world. Welcome to this episode of Special Education Parenting Tips. All right, let's dive right in. By far, the #1 way children with attention challenges actually engage in an online platform is by either one-on-one instruction or very small groups which allow for individualized attention. The biggest challenge today is that teachers are given class sizes that are monstrous, actually bigger than they were when normal school was in session. The second secret to successful virtual learning for children with special needs is personality. Yes, personality is required to effectively hold the attention of children who struggle to stay focused with everything. I know what you're saying. Okay, Luke, what type of personality are you referring to? Tone fluctuation, volume, and animation. There's an old saying that motion creates emotion. Children are drawn to energetic and enthusiastic people. The final secret to successful virtual learning for children with special needs is individualization. I get it. Inside your head right now, you're thinking, that's it? That's the secret to success for children with special needs? Duh, they have an IEP, so of course they need individualization. But wait a minute. When it comes to the online world, the days of individualization simply meaning one-on-one instruction is out the window. Because simply teaching in a one-on-one setting does not work for a majority of the children we have the opportunity to help. By individualization, I'm referring to getting to know what the specific child likes, what they would choose to do if they could select their own activity during free time, and using that information to customize their lesson. Want an example? I will give you a personal example to help illustrate my point. My son is 6 years old. He is the spitting image of the Energizer Bunny. He has both muscular dystrophy and autism. He gets up at 6:30 a.m. and goes to sleep around 9 p.m. He does not sit still for more than 10 seconds at any given time, ever. When schools went virtual in March, my son was 5. Since he views my wife as mom, not teacher, even though she is a special education teacher, we knew we had to get him going with a tutor. So we did. The special education expert he works with is able to get him to sit still for his 30-minute sessions about 90% of the time. How? She customizes everything to him. As an example, he loves Wacky Wednesday, so she created a PowerPoint where every 11th slide or so was a wacky picture. This alone got him to do the work to get to the actual picture. She also has different videos that he likes ready in case there's a time when his focus starts to wane. She pops that video up, redirects him to the task, and about 30 seconds later, he's back to learning. In addition, something we do for all of the children who work with our educators is a digital sticker chart. Once this chart is full, usually around 5 to 7 sessions, the child gets to go to Amazon and pick out a prize which is mailed to their house. Those are a couple examples of things we do to individualize each lesson, each session, and create an experience that actually gets children to want to learn. If you're interested in finding out more, please check the description for information on how you and I can have a conversation specific to your child and how we can create an individualized learning experience for them. From all of us at specialedresource.com, thank you for watching this episode of Special Education Parenting Tips. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please take a moment, give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. If there's a specific topic you're interested in, please leave a comment. Until then, enjoy these other videos designed to help parents navigate the crazy world of special education. Thank you.